Good morning, everybody. It's Friday, October 3rd. I'm going to mix it up a little this week, and since it's the beginning of October, I'm going to start with our new theme as suggested by me and introduced by Katie. Katie has established that we should do the what if theme for the month, where someone poses a what if question and then everybody else answers, and then you have to post your own. So I'm going to respond to Katie's first. So Katie asked if we could be the subject of a hit song that maybe paints us in a negative light, if we would still want to do that. Going off of Katie's examples, if it's Taylor Swift writing the song, I think that I would be okay with that, because she would be writing another breakup song, which I think says more about her than it does about me. I have been working on my challenge this week, and so I was looking at a lot of our old travel videos, so my what if has to do with traveling. What if you got to go on a free vacation somewhere, but it was with your worst enemy? Would you still go? I kind of think it would depend where the trip was, if it was really worth it. If it's a free trip to like Kansas, not worth it. Now let's do some responses. Matt, I'm glad that you finally have some stuff in your room, including an empty milk jug on your bedside table. And you're welcome for coming to your polka concert. David, I agree with Katie that you should have a recurring segment where you do charts and graphs and stuff. Could be really interesting. Also good addition to the sucking at traveling list. Katie, I have the same box of mints, just kind as you do, and I can open them just fine. So I think we call that user error. I was not kidding when I said that I would do everything on your list. I even showed you the sign of how far away Illinois is and said that I would fly that far. I will fly that far! I've already checked, and the St. Vrain Valley spring break is April 6th to the 10th, so I'm hoping that the girls are going to be out of town that week, and that means that I can also go out of town that week. I'll try to ask them soon, but I don't know if they're going to plan that far ahead. Also, we should probably wait till then, because I don't know how much you've heard about the fire at the Air Traffic Control Center in Chicago. It's like one of 5 or something that we have in the country, and apparently they think someone deliberately set a fire there and it grounded like 750 flights. I don't want that to happen to me. As I mentioned earlier, I've been working on Katie's challenge of making another Europe video. So look for a bonus video later today or maybe tomorrow, because the video is already really long and I had all this stuff I wanted to say, and you know, I don't want to post an 8-minute long video unless there's 3 minutes of blankness at the end. Earlier this week, I got an email from Twitter telling me that it was my Twitterversary. I've apparently been a part of Twitter for 3 years. Crazy. I've probably tweeted like 3 or 4 times too, so it comes out to about once a year. Anyways, it made me remember my 2014 Every Day's a Holiday calendar, and I've been sorely neglecting it. So I have gone through and picked out a few that we missed and should celebrate now. May 13th was Velcro Day. Yay, Velcro! August 28th, Race Your Mouse Day. If only we had mice to race. We actually have some in the garage, so I don't actually want that. May 20th was Be a Millionaire Day. How come we weren't millionaires on this day? Also, the little blurby thing at the bottom is saying that you should celebrate the day by imagining what you would do if you were a millionaire. And I realized that, David, we have yet to see any PowerPoint or any other method of communication telling us what you would do if you won the lottery, which I think you promised us in like March. The next one, National Kitchen Klutzes Day, reminds me of when we were talking about where the most fires happen in your house, because apparently it says that the most dangerous room in your house, yeah, it says the most dangerous room in your house is the bathroom, and the kitchen is second. Fun fact. This one goes right into National Personal Chef Day. Mostly it just makes me miss Katie, because sometimes it was like we were personal chefs for each other, which was really nice. This one was recently. Wednesday, October 1st was the first day of National Sarcastic Awareness Month, because you know, we're never sarcastic in other months of the year. Lastly, on July 24th, we missed Drive-Through Day. Maybe we drove through somewhere that day though? I don't really know. Taco Bell probably. Sounds good, I want some Taco Bell. That leads me into Flashback Friday. See you next week.